Are you getting started with Facebook advertising and would you like to create your own visuals? Hey, I'm Steven from Simple and I'm going to give you some tips. Watch and learn from your competition and gain inspiration from the Facebook Ads library. Make sure to focus on the competition for your target audience as well as your company's competitors, as they're both equally useful to you. The Facebook Ads library will show you exactly which ads a specific company is running right now. A/B testing is another hero when it comes to choosing your visuals. Facebook offers the possibility to A/B test different ads simultaneously, so you quickly know which image captivates your target audience. As a test, you could duplicate one of your ads completely, except for the visual. What effect does this have on your stats? It's crucial to A/B test your material because your preferred visuals will not necessarily attract your target audience. What were the results of your A/B tests up until now? Let us know in the comments.